Over at the House of Representatives, Speaker Sonny Belmonte welcomed Tolentino's decision to withdraw from the Liberal Party Senate slate. The details of this report from Freddy Abando.
Political fortunes of MMDA Chairman Francis Tolentino continue to draw fire and flack from women's party list group Gabriela for a controversial party dance of sexy women during the birthday party of Laguna Congressman Agaraw in San Pablo City. Video and pictures released on the net turned out to be a big hit. Tolentino was reported to have hired the services of girls as a gift for the birthday celebrant. It triggered a controversy since Liberal Party standard bearer, former local government secretary Mar Rojas, swore new members. Rojas left immediately before the controversial dance. Today, the by Gabriela party list Congresswoman Amy De Jesus filed a resolution calling on the House to investigate the use of women as sexual objects of entertainment during political gatherings, official or otherwise. De Jesus said it's a violation of Republic Act 9710 or the Magna Carta for Women and Republic Act 6713 or the Code of Conduct of Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees. De Jesus won the support of Deputy Minority Leader Nery Colmenares.
Wake-up call kasi ito para maimbestigahan in aid of legislation yung gumagamit ng kababaihan as sex objects to entertain our voters at iba pang mga events. Kaya ito dahil ayaw na talaga namin noong ito ay matulad sa ibang mga cases na kapag may nangyaring kawalang hiyaan or impunity, mapapalampas na lang. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ito. At kung at this point in time ay tumalab yung shaming campaign kay Chair na nakakapagtaka dahil it took him like a week, no? Para maramdaman niya yung kahihiyan.
If he admitted it now, then that means he lied previously na hindi siya ang culprit doon. So that really makes it worse for him. Bakit mo hindi inamin noon? Ngayong lumakas na ang pagtutol, tsaka mo inamin, no? So that's not the trait of a good public official.
The San Pablo incident led to his resignation for the Metro Manila Development Authority. The president appointed Tolentino chairman in 2010. Tolentino is also facing a probe from his peers from the In fact, a consensus has emerged for him to give up his bid for the Senate in next year's elections. Others pushed for sanctions, including expulsion. Tolentino decided to give up his quest for the Senate. Speaker Feliciano Belmonte welcomed Tolentino's decision.
I cannot say that what the action of the leadership of the LP will be on that, but definitely from the point of view of Tolentino, that is an admirable thing that he did. See, that he man up to it. Certainly, ang tingin ko sa kanya has greatly improved by his voluntary act. Now, what the party will do with it, that's up to the leadership of the party.
Because of the San Pablo incident, Colmenares urged the Commission on Elections to issue a resolution to ban entertainment in political rallies that will infringe on the rights of children and indigenous groups.
Yung mga political parties and the COMELEC shall issue a declaration na committing na hindi namin gagawin yan sa campaign period. So kung hindi man mag-issue ang COMELEC, at least ikaw nag-issue ka, political party, pwede ka ngayon singilin. Nangako kang hindi mo gawin, ginawa mo. So how could we even trust your platform?
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.